test your English in the next 10 minutes. Most English learners make small mistakes in these sentences. Today we will fix that, but not in boring classroom style. This is a game. 5 questions, 5 points each. If you score above 20, you are doing great. Let's begin level 1. Find the error in the sentence and comment, is it correct or not? She do not like coffee. She don't like coffee. Is it correct? Absolutely, it's wrong. She doesn't like coffee. This is the correct because he, she, it के साथ आता है does not. Because he, she, it takes does not. They doesn't understand English. Is this correct? Is this sentence correct? Exactly, this sentence is wrong because they do not understand English. This is the correct sentence क्योंकि I, you, we, they takes do not, ना कि does not. Do not. He doesn't goes to school. Is this sentence correct? Absolutely, this is not correct because he doesn't go to school. जब भी हम यूज करते हैं हमारा do, does, not, तो उनके साथ आती है verb की base form. We use base form which are right. Play. हमें कोई भी अपने दिमाग में फितूर नहीं लाना कि right के साथ s लगेगा, play के साथ s लगेगा, नहीं लगेगा. जब भी do, does यूज करें तो उसके साथ verb की simplest form क्या यूज करें? Right. Play. Simple. She doesn't write. He doesn't play. They don't understand. You have to repeat all of them again and again so that it comes out of your mouth without thinking. I do not wake up early. Is this sentence correct? This sentence is correct. Next sentence is it doesn't works properly. Is this sentence correct? No, this is wrong. It doesn't works properly is wrong. The correct one is it doesn't work properly because we don't add s in the verbs while using do and does not. If you got 20 plus, good. Now the level 2 is answer in negative. I will ask you question 5 points each and you have to answer in the negative sentences. Does she play football? She doesn't play football. Do they like spicy food? They don't like spicy food. Does he drive fast? He doesn't drive fast. If total score is 35 plus, you are so strong. The final round is fill in the blanks with the correct sentence. She dash not watch TV daily. She doesn't watch TV daily. Next sentence is they dash not work on Sunday. They don't work on Sunday. Repeat after me. The next round is fluency round. You have to repeat after me. Speak aloud so that you focus on the rhythm and gain the fluency. I do not give up. You don't waste time. We don't quit easily. They don't complain always. He doesn't make excuses. She doesn't fear failure. Quick recap or summary is whenever you speak about your routine which are not in routine, you don't follow them, you don't repeat them, you have to use वो repetition में नहीं है, they are not routine, and with that they are not the scientific, are not the newspaper headlines, mainly they are not the facts. You have to use do not and does not with them. And when talking about the plural subjects like they, we, I, we use do not with them. Do not play. And with he, she, it, or a single person's name like Ram, we use does not with them. She does not sing well. Don't use sings. Using sings is wrong. Always say she doesn't sing well. They don't understand what I am saying. So, for this, You have to practice all of the sentences again and again. That you don't have to remember all of the grammar. This is the pattern. You have to learn the pattern, and pattern is when you want to talk about something which is not in your routine, you use does not and do not with the subject. And just by repeating again and again, you will get that idea in your brain that when to use do and when to use does. So make more and more sentences by yourself so that it gets stuck in your brain that when to use do and when to use does. And with that, one more important thing is do not. The contracted form of do not is don't, and the contracted form of does not is doesn't. We use contractions more in our spoken English. If you use the contractions instead of saying the full sentences, do not, does not. Contractions are way better to make your speech fluent and understandable by this listener. Negative present tense follows the pattern that things which are not in routine, they don't repeat themselves. Like, I don't smoke. This is not my habit, which is not your habit. For that pattern, we will use do not and does not. I don't play much. I don't understand what you are saying. So these are the facts which you don't follow, which you don't understand. Comment your score if below 30, replay if above 30, you pass and you did a great job. Subscribe to GrammarBuddy Chinu and next level will be harder.